In this video, we're going to be talking about how to save money, so stick around. Welcome to Dollars with Dennis. My name's Dennis Dunn, and today we're going to be talking about saving money tips on how to save money. Now, most people, they get paid by direct deposit, okay? And every week it's deposited into your account. And then you take that money, you pay your bills, and you see what's left over. All right. But you're really not saving any money. The key is that you do what they call pay yourself first. And what I mean by that is you take a certain amount of money out of your account every week automatically with your bank. So you can set aside, let's say, anywhere between $12.50 a week to $25 every week and switch it into a different account. So if you're getting a deposit in your checking account, you have it put into your savings account. All right. So every week, it automatically comes out of your account and switches to the other account every week you get paid. You just set it up through your bank, your online banking, and you have the money set aside every week. So what happens is before you even get paid, that money's already put aside, it's in the other account, and after a while you forget about it. It's like, you don't even realize that it's there. So you're actually saving money. But like I said, start out with the small amount, $12.50 to up to $25 a week. All right. And you'd be surprised how fast that adds up. Now, another way to save money is get a money saving bank. All right. So you get yourself a piggy bank, right? So, you got some spare change. Okay. You throw it in there. You do some bottle deposits. You throw it in there. You find some money cleaning out the car. You throw it in there. Okay. You find, a couple pennies or a nickel on the street. Pick it up. Throw it in your bank. Again, you'd be surprised how fast that adds up. All right. Now, there's also another bank besides a piggy bank that you can get. It's called the Money Box. And you're like, what's the Money Box? Well, this is the Money Box. Okay. Now, this on the front of this box, guys, it has a bunch of circles on the front and they're all numbered. They go from $1 to $100. So every time you put an amount of money in here, so you put $1, you put it in the slot in the top, all right, you mark off the one. Then the next time you put in $2, all right, you mark off the two. By the time you finish putting the money into this box, going through all the numbers on the front, you'll have saved $5,050. Now, they call this the 100-day money challenge box. I mean, you can do it as fast or as slow as you want, but once you get this filled up and you have all the numbers scratched off, take a hammer to this bad boy, smash it open, and you got $5,050. All right, great way to save up for a vacation, or if you want to get a CD and save some more money, you can do that. Okay, but you basically got to just take your spare money or money that you pay yourself first. Okay, it's always there, and then you have it, okay, and you're saving money, right? Or you're picking up chump change, right? Throw it in the piggy bank, all right? Or you're trying to save for that nice vacation with the money box, or saving up money to put it into a CD account or a high yield account. This is great if you want to build an emergency fund. All right, I'll leave that till another video, but we'll get more into emergency funds. But guys, it's not that hard to save money. Okay, it's not that hard. All right, but you just got to go through the motions. All right. So, I mean, you have a money bank, you have a money box. Okay, you pay yourself first, you put money into your savings account, or you put money into a high yield savings account. Okay, or you start an emergency fund. Okay, but I'll tell you what, I didn't really start saving money until I read this book right here. It's called Automatic Millionaire, book by David Bach, who is an investment person. He wrote a book, and when I read this book, the title caught my eye. So I was like, let me check this book out. So, the Automatic Millionaire. If you want a copy of this, you can order it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. All right, guys, seriously, check this book out. I bought this book for a lot of members of my family, and everybody's like, holy crap. It's like this book makes saving money easy. So listen, you know, don't be spending all your money. Start saving some of your money. All right. So listen, get yourself a copy of Automatic Millionaire. Links down below in the description. All right. Great read. And hopefully you can save some money, sock it away for when you need it and when you want to use it. All right. So till next time, guys, we'll see you on the flip side.